Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the outline color of an existing shape in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change the outline color to existing shape. At first, select the shape. Then go to the shape format menu. Then choose the outline color. Now you can see here many outline color. You can add any outline. Now I am select the black color. Then go back the option and increase the white. Now you can see we change the existing shape outline color very easily. You can change another color. Select the shape and add it another color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.